I invite you to sit or lay in a comfortable position and breathe. I invite you to close your eyes and connect with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your lips to open as you exhale through your mouth. I invite you to continue this circle breathing as I guide you through your forgiveness meditation. Notice how your mind begins to soften and relax. Notice how your body begins to soften and relax. Allow your mind to focus on how each breath enters and leaves the body. Allow your body to relax deeper and deeper with every suggestion. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. In this moment, I want you to think about if you're holding on to any resentment or frustration. Without judging yourself, allow this frustration to come to surface. Think about how it makes you feel and acknowledge the pain that it's caused you in your lifetime. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Knowing that pain and suffering, grief and anxiety doesn't serve your greatest potential. So in this moment, I want you to choose. Would you like to let this pain go? Take a deep inhale and exhale. If the answer is yes, and you would like to let this pain go, on the next exhale, you will allow the pain to leave your body. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale as the pain leaves your body. Go ahead and wrap your frustrations up in a baby blanket and allow your spirit dove to swoop down and take it away. Visualize your spirit dove flying all the way to the middle of a vast ocean. Visualize your spirit dove dropping your bundle of pain into the ocean to be washed away forever. You no longer have to carry this pain. You no longer have to carry this resentment. It is yours to keep or let go. It is your choice what you would like to do with it. It's very natural for feelings to return, and each time a feeling of remorse, resentment, or frustration returns, gently and carefully wrap it in the baby's blanket. Call on your spirit dove to come and pick it up and take it out to the ocean to be released and washed away. You don't have to keep pain. You don't have to carry frustration. Every time it shows up, you can simply let it go. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. In this moment, make a commitment to yourself not to hold on to pain. Allow your body to release any pain, frustration, or judgment. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Release all of the pain out of every cell in your body. Allow the grip frustration has on your life to be loosened and eventually released. Repeat after me. I am not my pain. I am not my pain. I release my pain and I let go of frustration. I release my pain and I let go of my frustration. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Allow your body to energetically release and let go. As you start to feel how lighter you become after letting go, focus your attention on your heart. Allow your heart to expand so that now you can receive more love. Now there is so much more space in your heart to love and be loved. Now that you are not holding on to that pain, frustration, guilt, or shame, you have so much more room to be. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take your time. When you're ready, start to journal any divine downloads or insights that came through. Remember, you are love.